Hey guys, welcome to another brand new video. So in this video guys, we'll be learning about functions in Dart programming language. So function is common in any programming language. Sometimes they are even used interchangeably. That is, they can be called as methods and sometimes they call as functions. So it's always the same thing. So the definition is always the same. So before going ahead to coding, let us understand what exactly is a function. So a function is nothing but a group of tasks or a group of behavior. So it is kind of a behavior which we can execute or which we can run. So two main things in functions are that first you must declare a function and then you must call a function. So I'll just make a function like talk, so which will just print hi, hello. That is nothing but function declaration. Then I'll call it. So suppose somewhere in the program I just want to call like I want to say hi to this person, so I'll write talk and I'll use a parentheses. We'll learn about the syntax, don't worry about that. So this very simple concept, the syntax, everything is very similar to C++, C#, everything is same. So let's get on to the coding. So I'll just zoom in a bit so that it becomes much clear. So here we have a main file, main program, main method. So this is also actually a function, so main function. And here let us have some variable at first. So I'll just write var greeting or var text. Let us have a simple name. Var text is equal to hello, how are you? So guys, this is a simple variable we have created. Now let us have a function. So I'll write void greet. Now don't worry about all those void things, we'll cover it, don't worry, it is very easy, no need to worry about those things. So here we have a function declaration kind of a template. Now in this greet function we are going to say that it should print this text. So we must take in the text, it is not actually available in greet. So it might be a little bit confusing to understand right now, so don't worry. So it is like string txt. So here we are getting some error. So string string. So what is the error? Okay, so I should make it capital. So here we have a simple variable called a string text, and here we are just gonna write print statement. So print txt. So guys, whatever variable we are giving over here is nothing but a parameter or an argument. So there is actually a slight difference between parameter and what an argument is. So for now, at the time of definition, we'll think it as a parameter. So this txt is nothing but a parameter which the function is gonna take while calling this function. So let's check out as an example how this works. So I'll just write greet. So now we are calling the function. So it just means that we are using the function at this time right now. So I'm using this function and I'm passing a text variable which is a string, and always end it with a semicolon. Now let's run this program. Go to terminal, main dot. Okay, so actually I have made a small error, typo. So let me just, so here dot main dot, and now let's run this program, and as you can see it has printed hello, how are you? So this is actually a function void greet, and what this function is doing is that here we are declaring as it will take a value which is of type string, and it will print that string. Whatever string is taken, it will print that string. And here we are calling it. So this is definition. So I'll write in comments. So comments are just like reference text. So here definition and calling tab calling. So here we are defining, here we are calling. You can even call this as declaration also, definition. Now we can even have a somewhat more simple kind of a function. So I'll just replace with add and here instead of string, let us take integers. So let us take two integers, a comma int b. And now the text variable, as you can see here, we got an error. So here it is saying that undefined name text. So here whatever is there in the parameters we can use without defining it or declaring it variable. So here we actually do not have any variable inside the function declared. You can declare a function over here also. Inside the function also you can declare variables like int, name, or anything like that. And you can even use variables which you can get while from calling. So here there is no variable actually declared. So if I declare like something like string txt and enclose it, you can see we got the error. So we didn't get any error right now. So that's how you can declare it inside, and you can even take it from while calling. Now let's remove this variable txt, and what we are going to do is that we are just going to print the sum of a plus b. Now we have a simple function called as add, which will add two numbers. So here in calling, I'll just write add 20 plus 10. So here it has done this, but actually we got one error because it needs two arguments. So here it is actually not 20 plus 10, we must separate it with a comma, and here inside this it will automatically do, no need to worry about this. Whatever task is given inside this block, function block, will be executed. You don't need to do anything over here. So here 20 and 10 are given, and the answer we should get is 30. So I'll run the program, and as you can see over here we got 30. So it was successful. Like that you can add conditional statements. It is just like an own your block, a function block where you can define your own behavior. Here we are defining how an add behavior will work in programming. You can make custom like greeting, all other things like checking, logging in a username. You will take two variables like username and password and check the both values using conditional statements. So that's actually a lot fun. Functions are also a lot fun. In the intermediate or advanced section we'll be covering about all the different kinds of topics and functions. So that's a very interesting topic. I hope you like this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.